This is Fern Shen, and the Baltimore Brew been lying to you ever since 2011. See the date? That's Brandon Soderbergh, Baltimore City Hall, occupying the hood with Shorty. Fern Shen, silent friend. I'm an activist in Baltimore. See that? The best of the best in Baltimore 2016. Took a negative and turned it into a positive. Alright? So we're going to show you what Fern Shen been shielding since 2011. She had a Jailhouse Diary and ain't opened her mouth.
Fern Shen, I have nothing bad to say about this woman. This woman has been in my corner silently, reluctantly but silently doing her
She has not been in my corner. Alright? What she holding is a Jailhouse Diary.
Job. She was holding my insurance policy. That's the diary from Baltimore County Detention Center. It was my insurance policy. As long as she had it, if anything happened to me, she could tell the truth. It's all handwritten, so nothing's transcribed. All right? So we're exchanging.
Here we go. All right.
Now what she's holding in her hands is legal information for a trial in Baltimore County and a federal case against Gov.O'Malley, Shellenberger, Bernstein, and the Baltimore County Police Chief Johnson, the state of Maryland, for taking my property, my computer, my truck, and everything that I made pertaining to Gov.O'Malley and the movie I was making about him. It was Baltimore Rewired. Just like the movie The Wire, I showed the other side of the drug culture and who getting rich off the prison industry. $80 million for a prison industry, a whistleblower is entitled to a percentage of what he finds. I'm going to drag O'Malley through the mud. Thank you.
Okay.
That's Fern Shen, all right? Like I said, she got this. This is the Baltimore Brew, and this is the lie they told you. This toilet was in front of the school board about the school to prison pipeline, the money you make off black bodies, the money you make off our kids. This was about the courts, the corruption in the courts, all right? Anthony McCarthy had this. Yeah, Anthony McCarthy had this. See who had it? Head States Attorney Marilyn Mosby. I'm the cook in Baltimore. 2023, I'm getting ready. 2024, I'm getting ready to cook you up. I'm an activist. Activism isn't terrorism. See who that is? See the date? November the 27th, 2023. All right? Justice delayed will not be justice denied. That's the chairman, Jordan, House Judiciary Committee. All right? And that's Kwa'isa and Fume. That's Kwa'isa and Fume. And that's me when I was locked up illegally. I was kidnapped by the state. You feel me? And these are the cases. I never got a trial. See the date? February the 2nd, 2011. Long before February the 7th, 2011. So Fern Shen, you getting ready to lose your license. FCC violations. Nothing that you say is any truth to it. You know what I'm saying? You use your Asian persuasion to persuade the population. This was about your prison industry and the youth locking and killing our youth. That's my son, Philip. We took this toilet to New York City. That's President Trump. So when he come back in the office, or whenever he got to testify too. That's Governor Hogan, all right? I hope this letter catches you, all right? At the Christmas party. That's Governor Hogan. Like I said, I am hip-hop. That's Chuck D and Shorty at the Department of Justice. It's the time to pee, and I'm getting ready to pee on you. It's better to be pissed off than pissed on. You don't get as wet. Y'all made me famous for toilets. It's the art of protest. See that? That's Shorty. Starbucks and Shorty. Getting ready to produce this. Turn this into a book. Y'all going after her about campaign financing violations? Well, we're going to go after a whole lot more. We're going after your prison industry. I'm the Weaver in Baltimore, and we're going to shine the light on this shit. You can do it, and I'm getting ready to do it 7 days a week. You feel me? 7 days a week. Potty training politicians. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Talking about the murder and the death of our kids here in America. You treat us just like you treat them in Palestine. You feel me? You treat them just like you treat them in Palestine. You want to lock up 10-year-olds. You want to stand for Israel? Well, you got to stand for me. That's Starbucks and Shorty. You got to stand for me in 2024. We're going to court about this. Maryland's prison industry. A class action lawsuit. That's ABC2. And that's Brent Jones from the Baltimore Sun. All right? That's the toilet. And that's Senator Ben Cardin. Like I said, I was making a documentary about you. Right here. If Blagojevich can go to jail, Senator Cardin can go to jail too. See the date? August 20, 2007. Dwayne G. Davis. That's my store on Falls Road. We're talking about right to property. That's Exhibit 4. All right? In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. You are the documentary, Senator Cardin. That's 2007. And that's 2023. That's Senator Cardin. That's Ivan Bates. And that's Fern Shen. We going full circle. You feel me? Full circle. I'm using toilets again. I'm potty training politicians. You feel me? I'm potty training politicians. Are you ready for this?
No.
2024 session, I want exoneration of the Supreme Court. You got to sign on for that.
No.
Yeah, you got to sign on for that. You ready for this?
No.
You got to sign that letter. That's Senator Cardin. That's you. That's Ivan Bates. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects?
N-O. No.
We're getting ready to file a class action lawsuit. All those no's, you're going to have to turn into yes. You know what a class action lawsuit means?
No means no.
A class action lawsuit means that we as a people can sue you, the government, for depriving us of our rights and our freedoms. Baltimore, Rewired, the money behind the machine. I got it color-coded for you. You feel me? I got it color-coded for you. That's me. You feel me? Release all material to the voters. You gonna release all material to the voters?
No, 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 no.
Yeah. See that? Know who he is. That's Ben Carson's. That's me, the prison industry. You feel me? That's Lake County. That's Julian Jones. That's Corey McRae. Like I said, the movie's about you, Corey. You the star of the show.
No, no, no. 1,000 times no.
You can't stop it. Social media for social change. I don't need you to sign a movie release. Everything I do in the light of day. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. You feel me?
No.
I guess you don't. Justin Fenton. Like I said, I never got a trial. I am Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects?
No.
Yeah. These are the cases. I never got a trial. 07CF4988. I was insured for $1 million. Y'all got to pay that policy off. See the judges, see the lawyers, see the politicians.
No.
A blind man could see this. We're going to talk about Jim Crow. You stand for Tennessee, you're going to stand for me. That's Judge Holland, Judge O'Malley, Judge Turnbull, Judge Pearson, Judge Bridges, Judge Rossetti, Greg Bernstein. And that's my whistleblower's application to the Senate, the United States Senate. Ain't that your job, Ben? Ain't you in the Senate? That's Marilyn Mosby. And that's Marilyn Mosby. That's a whistleblower's application. And this is making it legal. Whistleblower, the movie. The movie in Baltimore. All about Baltimore. Baltimore, Rewired. The money behind the machine. You the star of the show.
This is my last word. No.
It don't matter what you say. It matters what you do.